Looking to upgrade your home security the smart way? In this video, we're breaking down the best smart door locks of the year, from futuristic facial recognition to simple retrofits that work with your existing deadbolt. Whether you're all about tech or just want a keyless way in, let's find the perfect lock for your door. Schlage VizXen series. This one's like something out of a spy movie. It unlocks with your face, fingerprint, or a secret pin that scrambles the numbers so no one can peek. You can even use your iPhone or Apple Watch to unlock it with Apple HomeKey. Plus, it connects via Wi-Fi so you can lock or unlock it from anywhere with the app. Setup's a breeze, and it looks super sleek. Check the description to find this futuristic lock and make your front door smarter. August Smart Lock Pro, 3rd Gen. This one's great if you love your current door hardware. It fits right over the inside of your existing deadbolt. No need to replace your keys. You'll still be able to unlock it remotely, get status alerts, and enjoy auto-locking when you leave. And it plays nicely with Alexa, Google Assistant, HomeKit, and Z-Wave. So it fits into almost any smart home setup. Check the description to see why August is perfect for renters or anyone wanting an easy upgrade. Switchbot Wi-Fi Smart Lock Pro. This lock does it all. Fingerprints, PIN codes, phone app, even Matter and voice commands through Alexa or Google. It's designed to slide over your existing deadbolt, and with IP65 weatherproofing, it holds up to the elements. The touchscreen keypad looks sharp and is super easy to use. Check the description to check out this flexible, feature-rich smart lock. Yale Assure Lock 2. Yale's lock brings together stylish design and smart convenience. You can unlock it with a code, control it remotely through the Yale Access app, and even share temporary codes with friends or family. It works with Alexa, Google, and HomeKit, and the black suede finish gives your door a clean, modern look. Check the description if you're looking for something secure and stylish for your home. Schlage code with accent lever. This one adds a lever handle and built-in Wi-Fi, making it perfect for side doors, apartments, or anyone who prefers a more traditional design. You get a touchscreen keypad, voice control via Alexa, and a solid, secure build with that timeless Camelot trim. It's easy to install and adds smart security without changing your home's vibe. Check the description to explore Schlage's blend of style and smart home power. So whether you want facial unlocking, app control, or just the convenience of going keyless, there's a smart lock here to match your style and security needs. From high-tech options like Schlage VizXen to budget-friendly favorites like the August Smart Lock Pro, you're covered. Check the description for links, prices, and setup details. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which one's going on your front door.